Welcome to our lesson about adding fillets to your surfaces. Let's begin by selecting the Fillet tool. The options are similar to what you're familiar with from the Features and Sketch environments. We learned how to use these in the solid modeling part of this course. Let's check the Select Through Faces option. Now we'll select two edges. 10mm radius is fine. Let's click OK. As you can see, the top edge adjusted to accommodate the new fillet. That's because we applied the Knit tool first. Let's suppress the knit body. Now we'll zoom in a bit. You can see we've got a gap here and over there as well. Let's unsuppress knit 1. Right-click, unsuppress. Now let's add a couple more fillets. We'll make this one 3mm. And one more fillet. Let's make this radius 4mm. And click OK. And this concludes our lesson about adding fillets to your surfaces.